First of all, a very good morning to dear students. This is our online class for English subject, and in today's class we are going to use phonic workbook. So take your phonic workbook, your crayons, your pencil and eraser, and then open your book. In one of the previous class we have done K sound, and today we are going to learn a new sound, the Y sound. Okay, so first of all, write down date here. Today is 19, so write down 19. After that hyphen, then 6, again a hyphen, and then 2 0 2 0. 19 6 20 20. After that, write down here CW because this is your classwork. The Y sound. What is the pronunciation of Y? Pronunciation is ya. Ya, like your, yak, you. So pronunciation is ya. To clarify this sound, there is a rhyme that I am going to sing. You just need to listen and then repeat it after me. This is exactly written over here. Listen to your teacher, sing the song, repeat after the teacher with action. Okay? So I am going to sing the song, and what you need to do, you will listen and then repeat with action as well. The rhyme name is If You Are Happy and You Know It. So let's just begin. If you happy and you know it, clap your hands. Clap, clap. देखो ये clap कर रहा है ना? You know how to clap? Yes, then clap. If you happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you happy and you know it, clap your hands. Clap, clap. If you happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you happy and you know it, clap your hands. Clap, clap. So this is Y sound. Yeah, you. This is a Y sound. You. Okay. Moving forward. If you happy and you know it, stamp your feet. अपने feet को floor पे stamp करो. Stamp, stamp. If you happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you happy and you know it, stamp your feet. Stamp, stamp. If you happy and you know it, shout hooray. Hooray. Hooray shout करते हो ना आप? Hooray. If you happy and you know it, shout hooray. If you happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you happy and you know it, shout hooray. If you happy and you know it, do all three. यहाँ पे you can do all three things. Means clap your hand, stamp your feet and shout hooray. If you happy and you know it, do all three. Clap, stamp, hooray. If you happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you happy and you know it, do all three. So I'll send you the link of this rhyme video so that you can listen it and you can sing it with the action. Okay? Now moving toward the next page. Here also you need to write the date, the same date, 1/9/19 hyphen, then 6, again a hyphen, then 2 0 2 0. 19 6 20 20. Activity 2. The activity 1 was the rhyme, and this is the second activity. Name the pictures. Look at the pictures. Their names begin with the letter Y. Tell their names. So here we have some pictures. Okay. And you know each picture begin with ya sound. Y. Ya. like yak. Yeah, yak. Y sound means ya. Y sound means ya. Ya, yak. Ya, yarn. Ya, yach. Sorry, yolk and then yach. Sorry. So yak, yarn, yolk and then yach. This is the yach. This is the yolk. These are yarn and yak. So we have done two activities. One was the rhyme, okay, and second was this to name these picture. And we have noticed that each picture begin with ya, means Y sound. Y, ya. Yak, yarn, yolk, yach. Okay? Moving forward, turn your page again, and now we will have another activity for the same Y sound. Activity 3. Before that, write down date. The same date, 19-6, again a dash, 2020, 19/6/2020. Look and say. This is our third activity. Look at the pictures. Look, there are some pictures. What are the children doing? Can you see what are the children doing? Can you do these things? Say yes if you can. Can you do this? Can you play with this toy? If you can, then say yes. Like I can do this, so I am saying yes. Can you swim? I can swim, so I can say yes. So do you? आप swim कर सकते हो क्या? I think you can't. So you will not say yes for this. Moving forward, yes, this you all can. ये तो आप सभी कर सकते हो, right? So say yes. Yes. Can you ride a bicycle? If you can ride a bicycle, then say yes. Say yes. So these are the 4 pictures. If you can do all these, say yes. Yes, I can play with this toy. Yes, I can swim. Yes, I can paint. Yes, I can ride a bicycle. Yes, I can write. Yes also starts with Y, and it is also having ya sound. Ya. Moving forward, we have the last activity for this Y sound, and this is in page number 15. Okay, so open page number 15, and this is your homework. So first of all, write down date. Date is 19, then hyphen, after that 6, again hyphen, 2020, 19/6/2020. Okay, now write down HW here, because this is your homework, right? Activity 4, coloring. You all love to color, no? So this is your coloring work. This is a yacht. Color the picture. See, this is a picture of yacht. You know, yacht is a water transport, and it runs on water, like ship, like boat. So color this picture, okay? Color this yacht. Students, in the all four activities. With all four activities, you know, we have learned some Y sound pictures name like याच, या, याच. Y का साउंड क्या है? या. और या से क्या हुआ? याच. वन वर्ड. ओके, अगेन Y का साउंड या, या से यस. तो वन वर्ड वॉज याच, then yes. After that yak, then yolk, yarn, and again yach. So try to learn the name of, not learn actually, try to name the pictures that begins with Y sound. Okay, meet you in the next video. Have a nice day.